Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to get to do something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I actually ordered myself a new mountain bike, which will be coming in an upcoming video, so y'all will see what it is then. But because I ordered a new bike, that means that I can take this 1x system that I've just been using on this old Trek. It's a 1x11, and that system will be able to go on this bike. So the Rockhopper is getting a 1x upgrade. All right, there it is. That looks so good. I can't wait to go ride this bike. But first, I got a different car, so I got to put on a trailer hitch receiver so I can fit my bike rack. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll probably go take this bike out for a ride this afternoon. I've been putting on this hitch receiver because I hate working on cars, but I better go ahead and get it done so we can go put my bike rack on. Well, that took way longer than I thought it would, but it's done and it's installed. Okay, well, my final verdict is that this 1x upgrade is probably the best thing that I've done to this bike. I know some of you watching will probably be upset that I got rid of the 3x, but you know what? I mean, modern 1x drivetrains are just better, and I'm not gonna go into all the different reasons why or anything like that. Everyone has their own preferences, I get that, but for me, I just love the 1x11 with the clutch. I mean, this has been the best improvement to this bike, and it has made it infinitely more rideable. Riding it on trails just now was so much more fun. So I'm very happy with what I've done to this, and I can't wait to keep riding this bike in the future. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to see what my next mountain bike will be in an upcoming video. And I haven't ridden the Bridgestone in a while, so I'm going to take that out soon. I did change the gear ratio on that, so I want to talk about that in probably one of the next few videos also. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.